皆さん、こんにちは。かずえです。はじめまして。Finally, nice meeting with you. Today is day 3. We're going to learn features of the Japanese language, which is about little bit grammar and the written form of Japanese and its pronunciation. By the way, the photo you see here is Kinkakuji, Golden Temple in Kyoto. I visited twice and it's very nice. So if you have chance to go to Kyoto, please visit there. じゃ、始めましょう。Let's get started. Japanese language, we use 3 letters, hiragana, katakana, and kanji. For example, this sentence, 私はコーヒーを飲みます。That means I drink coffee. Then this 私 and no written in kanji, which is from China, it's a Chinese letter. And coffee is coffee. So katakana used for foreign words primarily. So coffee is written in katakana. And rest of it, hiragana. Actually, all Japanese written form can be written in hiragana, but still we use this kanji because kanji itself has meaning in it. So it's quite useful. So still we use it. But the number of kanji we use is different from Chinese one. China use much more kanji, Chinese letters. We use only 1,945 of them. Which is commonly used in Japanese. Okay? And katakana, as I say, primarily used for foreign words, and we also use for the onomatopoeia, which is sound word or emotional word. For example, ton, written in katakana, expressed for knock knock. Okay? And doki. When you are nervous, you feel doki. So it's more like emotional word as well. And katakana also used when you want to emphasize the word. So if you see the comic book, you see a lot of katakana. Okay? Structure of Japanese. Let's compare. English is SVO and subject, verb, object. So I eat bread. But in the same sentence in Japanese is SOV, subject, object, verb. 私はパンを食べます。That means I bread, eat. So it's just reverse. Okay? And moreover, Japanese omit the subject quite often when the situation is obvious. So, just say, パンを食べます。Eat bread. Okay? Japanese is easy. You know why? There's no plural S. Maybe it doesn't matter for you, but for us, when I learned English, why you say 1 book, 2 books, 3 books? This S. What is this? We don't have that easy. And no articles. A or and or the kind of bothersome. Don't have. So it's much easier in Japanese. We don't have this. And just add ka for a question sentence. If you want to make a sentence as a question, you just add ka at the end of that sentence and raise the intonation. Okay, so example like パンを食べます eat bread. Do you eat bread? How do you say? We just say パンを食べますか? That's all. So it's easy. Next, not the tone language. Have you studied Chinese or Thai? It's very difficult, isn't it? Because their tone language, if you change the tone, totally change the meaning. But Japanese, not gonna like that. So that's why Japanese sound is quite flat, isn't it? 私はパンを食べます. It's not like, right? So it's easy. Lastly, no conjugation by person. So, you say, I go and she goes. Why? She then change the verb. Japanese all the same. I or she or they or it's the same. So, easy, isn't it? はい。Next, pronunciation. Japanese has 5 vowels, which is a, I, U, E, O. This is E, not I, okay? And basic 46 characters. So, Japanese pronunciation is basically either vowel or consonant plus vowel. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a chart. So, a, I, U, E, O vowel plus here is a consonant. Here is a consonant. So, here is a combination ke, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. If you see the hiragana here, like this. So, now you know how to pronounce each hiragana or katakana characters. Easy. And here's the exception, some exceptions. She, it's not SI, this is SHI, or T, it's she, it's not TI, it's SHI. Anyway, you run in the PDF format. I mean, it's already I mentioned in the PDF, so please refer that. Okay, then O, this one also exception. The pronunciation is the same as O here, but this one is for particles. Particles you learn later. Okay, then very exceptional. Okay, next. So now you know that Japanese is either combination of vowel or consonant vowel. Actually, there are some more rules about pronunciation, but this is a basic. So you know how to pronounce McDonald's in Japanese. Yes. So we supplement with vowel always. So, ma-ku-do-na-ru. Don't see a, u, o, a, u, o. Supplement with these vowels. So, McDonald. Quite amazing, isn't it? And escalator. How do you pronounce? I mean, how Japanese pronounce? Escalator. Okay, now you know how to pronounce Japanese. Okay, that's all for today. And this is the only basic of Japanese pronunciation and the written form of Japanese. So you got to learn much more. But it's quite interesting, isn't it? How did you find? Okay, so why not study more? I hope you enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。